Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to open up your Microsoft form responses in Microsoft Excel on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. Can be for work, school, or business. Let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now let's go to all applications, go to explore all applications, go to the application forms, go to the form that we have been working on, and within go to responses. And now we have 4 responses. Let's now open up this in Excel. Open in Excel. Open up the file itself, and there we go. Let's take the file to full screen. And so these are all the responses: ID, start time, completion time, email, name, the questions, did you watch my videos, rate, computer science videos out of 9, question, option 1-1. So let's now quit Excel, quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.